Hey guys, what's up? Guys, do you know you can earn $5 in just 5 minutes for removing background of a image, and the best part is you can do it over and over again and again, and you can keep on earning $5 in just 5 minutes. And guys, the best part is I'll show you how people are actually already doing it and how you can also start doing it and start earning. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hey guys, if this is your first time here in this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell because I make videos on making money online, and if you subscribe to our channel, I will notify you whenever I will make a video next time and you don't miss anything. And trust me, you don't want to miss anything. Alright guys, let's get started. Let us first understand how this whole system works and why would somebody want to pay you just to remove the backgrounds. So guys, if you have come across the e-commerce platforms like Amazon, they have a very strict feature that all the images that need to be uploaded has to be a white background. Now guys, there are n number of sellers right now available in the market, and all these sellers need to remove the background of their image to white, and then they look for people who can do it, and that is where you come into picture. You can help these people to remove the background of the picture, and you can charge more than $5, and people are already doing it. In the beginning you can earn a little bit less, and with time you can earn a lot higher than $5 for 5 minutes. Now the question is guys, how you can start doing it. So keep watching the video now that I'll take you to my laptop screen and I'll show you how you can do it and in which platform people are earning a lot of money by this simple trick. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump into my laptop screen.
So guys, I am in my laptop screen right now. As you can see, you have to first go to a website called as remove.bg. Don't worry, I'll give a link in the description box. You can just click on the link and you can go to this website. So this is the home page guys. So what this particular website does is it allows you to remove a background in one click. Okay, so I'll just show you a sample. So here you can see in the home page a button to upload an image. I'll just quickly upload an image. Oops, just hang on. So I just make a sample image ready. So this is kind of an image that we want to do the background removal. So you can see we want to remove all these things. What we need to do, we just have to upload it. Click on choose, and that is very much it. You don't have to do anything. You simply have to upload it. This particular website will do everything, as you can see right now. So this is the original image, and the removal of the background is already done. As you can see guys, there are some noise actually here. So what you need to do is actually you have to click on edit, okay, and then you have to click on erase, and then you will take a brush. So this is kind of a brush, and you just have to do a painting, something like this. I'm not a good painter. I know some of you are, but you just have to reduce the brush size somewhere, and like you can just remove the black spots. You can just fine tune it. It will not take more than 1 minute guys. So this is actually a very complex picture. The images that you will be doing will be very simple. So this is very much it guys. This is only the thing that you have to do. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. If the image is a little bit better than this, then you simply don't have to do anything. You just have to upload, and it will automatically remove the background. And in case there are some noise, you can just you can take a brush like this and you can remove whatever you want. I can do this. Okay, so this is very much it guys. I'll now show you how actually people are earning by doing this, and who will pay you actually by doing this. So guys, for this you have to go to fiverr.com. If you know Fiverr, I know a lot of you surely do know what Fiverr is. If you don't know, then Fiverr is kind of one of the huge platform that offers freelancers. So the people that who want their pictures for the background to be removed, they normally come to fiverr.com. I'll keep a link in the description below. If you don't have an account, I highly recommend that you go and create an account. It's free of cost. So once you create your account, then you have to actually make your gig something like these guys are doing. They are actually offering the background removal. Okay, so this charges that you are seeing is in rupees because I am in India right now. So that is the reason you are seeing this in rupees. So normally it is like $5. So what they mean to say is, if they will, if like this guy, I'll take example of this guy. I will background removal and make will transparent. I know the English is very bad of this guys, but what he want to tell is he will do the background removal of this particular image or any image, and he will charge $5 for this. The same with this guy, the same with this guy, the same with this guy, and you can just scroll down and you can see a lot of people doing this. And the interesting thing is that all of them are charging $5. I don't know why. What is the magical figure $5 is? So guys, if you see here, that there's an interesting thing is that this particular guy is got 5-star rating, and there are already 1000 plus people who already ranked him 5-star. Same with this guy, around 980 people ranked 4.9. Same with this. So there are a lot of people who are searching for background removal of their images. People don't know how to do it, and you can take the advantage and you can do it, and you can start earning from today. So guys, that's it for now. Give me a like if you like the video.
So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have any suggestion, make sure to comment below in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply you. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.